No wonder I couldn't lose weight. Those things are so high in calories. No wonder you're running around with a yeast infection right now. Oh my God, BB. No wonder you have cystic acne. No wonder you're inflamed. No wonder you're bloated. It's the sugars, it's the dairies, and you're so addicted to it. So of course, when you do the 2-week anti-inflammation detox, you're gonna go through it. You might get a headache. You're gonna have so much mucus coming out of your body from the dairy. Okay, good. I think that's good. I think you need that real strong reminder that what you've been eating is some bullshit and your body actually hates it. I was entering that category. What's wrong with obesity? Cancer, diabetes, high blood pressure, infertility. The list goes on and on. So I was entering that realm of being one of 62% of black women and one of 42% of all Americans to be obese. And I'm addicted to sugars and dairies. I'm addicted to the sugars and the dairies. So are you. That's why you're fighting the yeast infection now. That's why you're fighting the chronic, the cystic acne, the inflammation, the bloating. You need to get the 2-week detox and the link in the bio. But either way, you think when you lose weight, your back will look like that. It will not. When you lose weight, your back will not look like this. She has lost fat and built muscle. You need to build muscle. Muscle is going to help you be able to burn calories years from now. Cardio only helps you burn calories today. Focus on eating in a calorie deficit of just 1 pound a week. Eating is why you're the weight you are. Nothing else. It's the food. So change the way you eat. And that is what's going to make a difference in your body. Don't fight me, fight the plate. I'm telling you, if you lose that weight fast, if you do an extreme diet, if you do too much cardio, you're going to be left with a bunch of rolls and sags, and you're not going to like the way your body looks. I guarantee it. I've been there before. How did I get out of there? I had to spend years to build muscle back. Pull the fat out, right? That's what it does. It gets rid of the fat. But it's a temporary solution to a problem that's much bigger. Your problem is you eat too much. Liposuction will fix it one time. How do you control eating, emotional eating? Find your triggers. Talk to a specialist if necessary, but find your triggers. If talking to your baby daddy get on your nerves every day, stop talking to him. Has an adequate protein in it. Your dessert has protein. Why? Because I want you to go to bed with protein on your stomach to assist with fat loss and muscle retention while you're sleeping. When you follow your meal plan, it has protein, like 25 grams in each and every single meal from morning to night, 5 meals a day. Why? That's how you get your protein in. But I don't mean protein shakes. I'm talking about egg whites, omelets, French toast, oatmeal. It doesn't matter. But you're getting in your protein, and even dessert. 1 hour, 2 hours of cardio every day to lose weight. You don't miss a day. Congrats. What happens when you stop running, Forrest? What happens when you don't feel like running anymore? Or what happens when running is no longer resulting in weight loss? Because that's going to happen after a couple months. Are you going to continue running for the next 5, 10, 15 years, even though you're no longer losing weight from it? No, you're going to quit the running, just like you've quit everything else. And you're going to gain the weight back. So no, don't run. It's so hard to eat protein. No, it's not. If you have a meal plan, it's not. It's not hard at all. If you have a meal plan, it's extremely easy. It's hard for people to hit their protein goals because you're trying to figure it out on your own. You don't know what to do. So there's no way to get tone. Toning is just building muscle. So when we talk about it, I don't want you to lose fat, because if she would have lost just weight, she just would have just been deflated. She would have looked the same, just more rolls. Now she focuses on building muscle. She looks like this. Come on. Now I follow my meal plan. I eat 5 meals a day every 2.5 to 3 hours. I have energy because I eat for it. You should do the same thing too, link in the bio. Now I work out 3 hours a day. Shit, I haven't worked out in a week. Working out is not how I maintain my weight. Eating adequately, eating the amount of calories my body can burn. It's like having a budget. If you got $2,000 in your pocket, you don't spend no more than $2,000. You don't have no more. You're fighting me, and this is confusing. I didn't do nothing to you. I didn't put no food in your mouth. Creating a healthy relationship with food through portion control is just your life. How do you feel about getting liposuction? It's a temporary solution to a problem that's much bigger than that. You eat too much. I don't even know you and I can feel that. If you're considering liposuction, that means you have some fat you're trying to get rid of. Cool. How do you get skin back right without surgery? Did I just not show you this? Did I just not show you this? You build muscle. How do you get rid of cellulite and excess skin? Building muscle fills up the skin, so she's not left with a bunch of saggy skin after losing weight. Muscle building is for the aesthetic. You don't want to be a muscle woman. I don't want you to be a muscle woman, Asia. I want you to have muscle to protect you in old age. So when you fall, you have bones, you have muscles to protect you. That's what I want for you. She's lost fat, built muscle. When you focus on losing fat, what happens? She would just have looked more deflated. She would have looked like a balloon that's been busted. She would have looked like excess skin. She would have looked saggy. She would not have looked firm and toned. Yeah, you don't know how to do that because you're winging it. Stop winging it. Type 2 diabetes is the kind of diabetes you give yourself. You gave you diabetes. That's crazy. Okay, so I was looking down the barrel of an insulin injection, but I was working out 6 days a week. Well, how? Why? Because I would work out harder than the devil, but I would eat more than him. I go to that gym and I work out real hard, but I didn't understand that my eating was why I was overweight. You need a workout plan that's in the link in the bio, including people who have liposuction or weight loss surgery or do extreme diets or extreme cardio. Almost 100% of people who lose weight gain it back.